Hello again, everyone. Today I will show you and guide you that how you can easily install Grand Theft Auto 5 on your computer, and please note that this will be totally free. Zero money. No virus risks will be there, no hacks. Only the main thing. So let's dive into the world of GTA 5. Okay, so let's come here for search bar on your computer. Then search for Google Chrome, then wait for a second, and then you have to search for 7 Launcher, Grand Theft Auto 5. Okay, then wait for loading, then you have to scroll down, and then you have to click on third link, then you have to